In this video, we will show you how to use Devo to analyze the status codes of an Apache web server. Analyzing Apache status codes is a great way to understand the basic behavior of a website and how HTTP requests are being fulfilled by the web server. The most frequent value is 200, which means OK, and indicates a successful HTTP request. Most other values indicate an erroneous situation. For example, status code 400 signifies client errors, and code 500 indicates server errors. Our objective is to analyze the distribution of these status codes. To do this, we will use a new column that contains two types of values: OK for the 200 status codes and error for any other status codes. Let's get started. First, select the status code column and go to Create Column. Assign the new column name as Result and apply the decode function. Click on the information icon to get more details about the selected function. What this function does is a comparison between the status code column and the value 200. If it is equal, the result will be OK, and then the other values will show as error. Click on New Argument until you get the four arguments when, is, transform to, and otherwise. With these arguments, you can now complete the whole function. When status code is 200, transform to OK, otherwise error. Since you have previously selected the column status code, the first argument will already appear as status code. If not, you can select it from the drop-down list. For the rest of the arguments, you will have to enter the corresponding values 200, OK, and error. After selecting the Create Column button, the new column is created and displayed on the far right side. To see the breakdown of the two values, simply check the column summary information. This result can be displayed directly on a diagram using the histogram chart. If you want to use other visual representations, you must group and count the data first. To do that, click on Group and select Non-Temporal Aggregation. Then choose the new Result column as the argument. As a result, a counter is added and the total values are displayed. You can use this new data for other graphical options as well, such as the chart aggregation or pie chart. We hope you enjoyed this Devo video, and be sure to check out the rest of our exciting videos.